So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can check CPU temperature on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first of all, open any browser on your PC. Now you search for HW monitor. Now click on the first link that appears. Now you scroll down and click on setup. Close this window. Now click on download now and this will start downloading it. Once done, open it. Now in the UAC prompt, click on yes. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Now click on install and this will install it. Uncheck it. Now click on finish. Now after this, run the software. Click on yes. So this will show a list of all the hardwares. Here look for your processor. For example, Intel Core i7. Now here, check for temperatures. Now, next to cores, you will see temperatures. Here, it is minimum temperature and here it is maximum temperature. And currently the temperature is 80. So this I can check CPU temperature on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.